Fourth problem, Mohan bought a second-hand generator. So he bought second-hand generator for rupees 2500. He spent 500 rupees on its repair and sold it for rupees 3300. Find his gain or loss percentage. So we need to find out his gain or loss percentage. So let us start the solution. So in solution, first of all, we will write down the cost price of a generator. So the cost price of the generator is rupees 2500 and he spent on the repair. Okay, the amount spent on repair is 500. Money spent on repair is rupees 500. So now the effective cost price will be effective cost price is, we have to add this, so we will get 2500 plus 500. If we add this, we will get 3000 rupees. So the effective cost price is 3000 rupees. Next, the selling price is, so the selling price is 3300. It is given. Next, after this, we can observe, we can see that the selling price is greater than the cost price, which means Mohan got a gain. So Mohan gained. Now we will find out its percentage. So gain, first of all, we will find out the gain. So gain is equals to selling price minus cost price. So selling price is selling price is 3300 minus cost price is 3000. So we will get 300. This is the gain. Now we have to find out the gain percentage. To find out the gain percentage, so let us write down gain percent is equals to, we have to write gain by cost price. Here we will take the effective cost price into 100. So gain is 300 by cost price is 3000 into 100. Let us cancel this 300 and 300 and 300. That means with the 10. Okay, 10 ones are 10, tens are 100. So we got the gain percentage as 10%. So therefore gain is gain percent is 10.